Is there a way to detach matplotlib plots so that the computation can continue? After these instructions in the Python interpreter, one gets a window with a plot. Unfortunately, I don't know how to continue to interactively explore the figure created by show while the program does further calculations. Is it possible at all? Sometimes calculations are long and it would help if they would proceed during examination of intermediate results.
Use matplotlib's calls that won't block. Using draw. Using interactive mode.
Use the keyword block to override the blocking behavior, for example. To continue your code,
it is better to always check with the library you are using if it supports usage in a non-blocking way. But if you want a more generic solution, or if there is no other way, you can run anything that blocks in a separated process by using the multiprocessing module included in Python. Computation will continue. That has the overhead of launching a new process, and is sometimes harder to debug on complex scenarios, so I'd prefer the other solution, using matplotlib's non-blocking API calls.
Try. The show documentation says, in non-interactive mode, display all figures and block until the figures have been closed. In interactive mode, it has no effect unless figures were created prior to a change from non-interactive to interactive mode, not recommended. In that case, it displays the figures but does not block. A single experimental keyword argument, block, may be set to true or false to override the blocking behavior described above.